It is the last day that Greg is in town, so we are heading to Bridger Bowl for my birthday to do some snowboarding. Can't wait. We should have some great conditions. The old Ford is letting us, I almost bust my ass. The old Ford is letting us down. I knew I should have changed the batteries before this. Come on, old girl. She's a little cold. Oh, it is so cold and windy outside. We are getting dressed in the truck. But we made it to Bridger Bowl. Had some natties for breakfast. Come on. It's time to trip. Yeah. It is so windy out today. We tried to get our money back and it didn't work, but they have a bunch of lifts shut down. So we're gonna make the best of it. So I've snowboarded in Montana a few times before this trip, but never got the opportunity to go into the woods and experience this kind of powder. It's pretty crazy, but it's also totally different. You have to lean way back so the front of your board doesn't get sucked under the snow and throw you down. Woo! Alright, I'm going for it. Woo! Woo! Ooh, fresh mountain. Finally got out of the wind. I think they have like 40-mile-an-hour, 50-mile-an-hour winds in sections. So it is time for our first beer break. To the right. They weren't lying when they said they were getting 40 to 50-mile-an-hour winds. This is absolutely crazy. And at this point, the snowboarding becomes not super fun and you just get super cold. That's icy. Yeah, I think so. It is cold out, but today we're making the best of it. Come on. Got the beer break, feeling good. And some fresh powder. Definitely not supposed to be here. This is a bad spot, but we're gonna try and get out. Don't really know how that's gonna go. Woo! We're gonna try and get out of this section. Don't know how much more filming I can do, but it is freezing. I tried to film as much as I could, but we got cold, batteries were dying, so it's a good trip overall. What'd you think, man?
Oh, it was a good trip. It was, whole week was great. Today was a little windy.
Yeah, super windy today, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.